So the coming up was interesting, seeing the questions. Didn't really know what to make of it. Sounded like it was going to be something nature oriented. Certainly I do the hiking in order to get out and get inspired by nature and the elements out here. So coming and sitting and seeing the unplugging, having 2 young children makes me want to make sure that I'm encouraging them to lead healthier lifestyles and not sitting in front of the TV all their time. And now it's not even just the TV, it's screen time, so computers and the Game Boys. Well, they don't have Game Boys, I don't know what they are now, but so it's inspirational.
I walked up a different trail and didn't actually see the signs coming up. I got a chance to see the TV and the Unplug part here, and it was kind of cool to see that when you're coming out and realizing, you're here to look at nature and kind of get away from things, and it was nice to see someone kind of promoting that.
I figured it was some sort of, trying to get back in touch with nature and getting rid of the cell phone.
Years ago, I was a 1st and 2nd grade teacher, so I'm very aware of what children are doing these days and how television and video games and handhelds have become their source of entertainment and, I believe, a babysitter. And it really impacts their development socially, physically, in all aspects of childhood development. Kids learn from being outdoors and feeling through their hands and building and becoming creative, and all of that is lacking. And they're lacking the interaction between people, which is essential.
I know, my parents, when I was younger, made a big point of me, not staying inside and, being, I spent most of my high school, in sports. Didn't watch, much TV. And, I think it's definitely a good thing. At college, we don't have, TV service. And, if we do watch TV, it'll be, online. And it's really, we'll take, an hour break from, our work. Because there's no time. It is, a good break, but I think taking the time to, actually, go up here and, explore nature and, do other stuff besides watching TV. Especially with a lot of the TV shows that they have on TV. After watching them, I'm why did I just waste an hour doing that? I could have been doing something much more productive.
Well, it got us drawn in, right, when we walked up.
Oh yeah,
here.
Dave's question, what was going on? Said this is different at the top of the mountain. What's a chair doing there?
And we started guessing what people do for 3 hours.
It was television or video games.
Right.